What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. Alright now, people, I don't see thumbnail now, my people. I'm sorry, but the sun is at the next side of the which part me I walk go. I want to really show off these new housing too while we walk and we talk. Right with people, so welcome back to the vlogs, my people. And I don't know, it's a boy 416-876 Jamaica, my people. Right now, people, we're still in the Blue Mountains because we're still shooting. That's just I'm still on my earpiece, you understand? But people, you know, don't see thumbnail I come for talk about, right? But I just want to shout out everybody who've been liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel also. Alright, my people, so people, again, if you're new here, we do a lot of vlog videos about different places in Canada. Like we do park videos, mall videos, hood videos, and walk through. I'm gonna walk and talk, I'm gonna show on it live, right? That. Then we also do house videos in Jamaica, showing different places we're selling and properties and mall, parks, beaches, waterfall and excursion type of vibe. You see, my people, and all around the world when we travel to different places. So if you're new here, just please like, share and subscribe. But right now, people, within a neighborhood, I really want to show off some of these houses also while I walk and talk, because the topic is very sensitive to me and also sensitive to a lot of people who's been commenting on the last video. I want to make this video for really emphasize upon this topic because I know chap. So people, go walk and talk and show you some of them places. So people, it's for me that stay in my people, because we're still over by the Blue Mountain Resorts here, because we are doing a movie over here. We get a one shoot bookings and we're here for a couple weeks, you know. So we're there over here and make life work, see when we get back a one gig, because we have to save up back some money for go back a yard, you know. Okay, I never forget yard, you know, my people. Remember one thing, one thing, you know, people, you never forget where you come from. I mean, although the fight is out there and the fight is real, you know, my people, I'm still nah go stop. But see the comments them, I have to start shout out some of the comments them in the videos. Shout out some of the people them who's been subscribed from day one and have been shouting me out, and my apologies to all of the people them. If me never come on here and shout out on the names, I go start screenshot the names them of the people them who always comment and show you some love. Big up to the super thanks people them, super chat people them who left all a $1, $2 donation, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10. Me appreciate it, because that can go to my new camera. Because the money where me work, I have to go to the house. But people, I want to show them some house, new house development. Not really new house development, you know, but some nice house over this area. I say, you know what? I have to show them, you know, because the new designs of what them have, and I only probably can take notes upon the designs, upon all the nice house right of some people, upon the design of the houses them too. You understand? Look upon all that. Imagine you have all this in Jamaica over by all Elsha Heights. Upon up on the top. Boom, you don't have to make no tradition. Oh, them always make it. Look upon them house, my people. And you go say, oh, they make it out of this and make it. No, you can get the same thing, because I will leave a place now in Jamaica. Me want me see have them type of vibes here now too. You understand, my people? I want to know which part of my turn go, you know. I want to know if around here same turn go or the next side. But less, I think it's down. Yeah, down more, my people. Cause right here's a block off. So we go walk up, go down more. But yes, no, my people, check it out, people. New buildings and more concept and ideas to build up different properties in Jamaica. Which if me have money again, me probably start over again. But you know, everything happens for a reason, and you have to pay for learn, and we'll go through it. But no, people, it's like the new chopping, and this chopping's been going on, the new scamming in Jamaica right now. And I know it's not new, you know. It's just that a lot of people just need that take note. People, you know how much billions of US and Canadian and England dollars send Jamaica every year? Billions, you know. This higher than the tourist board itself, you know. Of normal Jamaicans who leave Jamaica, you know, my people, go overseas You understand? Go overseas. Work them 9 to 5. Work them 8 to 5. 9 to 5. 8 to 4. 7 to 3. 6 to 2. 5 to 12. Whatever shift you have. Right, my people? We're out there and we work. Some people have to do double job. Some people are triple job. What do you see a Asian brother? Him living in California. That man living in Scar. And the man say him just has work just to send back money back home. Alright. That guy is a God blessing you. God know, because I don't see no Jamaican people that do that. Remember me tell you that. And then you have the Jamaican people them over here. We try hard. Me see my virgin. Him say father help him family them come over here. Man work and work and work, send for brother, sister, everybody where man could have send for. And if you see the way them treat him, when them come over here and the whole of them buy your post, the man use all of fee money. And help every people look on the nice property. I'm sorry about that, but just look on the properties. People want to walk and talk same way, you know, but me just want to see property them while me attack. Okay, please, and just look on the property them while me attack, right? But yeah, my people, dog help everybody. And then nobody no really look back on the dog. The man live in an apartment and all of them buy house and this and that. The man use all of fee money. And nobody couldn't say, yo, I could buy the man a car, I could help him get a house, I could help. No. Everybody was selfish when they came here. I'm going to be, you know, my people, eh? Sometimes a lot of us Jamaicans or Caribbean people, or people overall, I think a selected few of us were born with too much kindness. Although we see red flags in our people, it's like we overshadow, we overlook it or something, and we just leave it alone and I say, yeah, Father God, I gotta make it better or whatever. You understand what I try to say, my people? But reason why I'm coming with the topic, my people, with me and my situation now, my people, the amount of money what me send to Jamaica, my property should have been done about a year and a half ago, just to show you how ungrateful some people are. I read a comment, you know, my people. And one of the comment, a brother, I try to screenshot the comment, but I lost it, my phone got shut off, and I lost the comment when I try screenshot it, right? The man say, I think our next brother me that read too. The man say him send money and countless, I one video me that watch, one of them, you know, my people. Countless of money. God Jamaica, my people. And when him come and figure it out, him couldn't go Jamaica a couple years, right? You know when you run off and vibe and thing you try make, you hustle, right? Him couldn't go Jamaica and them send him brother money on top of money for doing property and stuff like that, you understand? And when the man really for go back to Jamaica, no property wasn't there. Couldn't even get contact with him brother. Man, they take all their money, go build up film property and disappear. Oh, you can be so heartless. You know your brother's situation. You know where man up to. Anytime the brother they could get deported and have to reach back a yard. And then now, when me see people just a drop like fly at Jamaica, you know, some of them situation add up just to being because people can't take the stress. And when people send, imagine you work over $500,000 US dollars. And send God Jamaica and you say, yeah, come back for your look on this mansion in front of us. And say, yeah, come back for see all your mansion at Jamaica. Because I know you're just tired and you're just tired of the American lifestyle and the Canadian or England lifestyle or European lifestyle. And you say, no, you want for just come back home and just go relax. And when you come back home, you don't even see nothing. You probably see one room. You probably see foundation. Look on this nice property, people. Come on now. And me enough you try to build and have these type of dreams too. And the reason why we can't have these type of dreams, you know, my people, because of sorry, bad mind people, you know, me try to walk go down the parkway, my people, I'm show it. Because I don't know if a bad mind they in our type of people that it make them so jealous of they don't want the next person to succeed over them. Me don't know if it's bad mind is the word, or jealousy, or under depriving, or I think what my brother call me. And I show him what I go on, because I'm watch the video them. And I say, brother, you to everybody, them people enough for this and a dog, you're the only youth with them enough for this. And them people for this, brother, I feel it for you, dog. I feel it for you. You're the only one who always try to make sure everybody good. Try. Even if a $10 and you say, oh, boom, you can make it work, you try to make it work. And the man say, bro, and you alone not forget this dog and you try. But people, look at this view right here. Sorry. Look at this. These people are getting in the Blue Mountain area. Probably if I go get a swim one of them there, you know. But look on this all. People, this is a resort. The amount of money where people send to Jamaica and my people. The amount of money where people send to Jamaica. Some people feel look for all have something like that. Right here. Yeah man, my people. Some people feel have something like that at Jamaica. The amount of money foreign people send to Jamaica every year. Every year. Millions of dollars go Jamaica to spend just because them can't find. Alright, yeah, people are got me see the comments. People are going to say, yo, find a proper contractor. They will do everything for you. They will make you. Because you can't even trust some of them contractors. Because I see them thing me went up into. Okay, so when I go say, yo, get a proper contractor, the contractor will make. People will go through that. The contractor, they might see him. Alright, you have. All when they go to the most reliablest one in Jamaica, somehow, somewhere you will get screwed. So I don't want to tell me no jiff or no jap or not that or not that. You understand? But everybody can have their own opinion. You understand? I not bash nobody, you know, but I open my eyes and I go through that. I go through family. I go through friend. I go through people just left me stuff them there. I go through neighbors. My neighbors don't even talk no more. Neighbors, neighbors them say them are not mason. Give them a local project for do. Bring our phone for them. What do you get? What do you get? Be a bam bam be damn bam. So can't just the closest family to you, the one family where you think would never harm you. And them see them wanna dig out your net back, dig out your eye, every single thing. These people just don't, I don't know if I don't care, them don't care about what they're doing to their family overseas, or they just don't give a rat ass about you. Because if it's not about them, they don't care. You understand? And so me as I say, this lifestyle is going now, so that's why I make this video. For the house and being my people, multi-million-dollar houses these in my people. I look on all in nice ones. People, me I try to get one glass balcony too for my house. Yeah man, I go try to get a glass balcony right here also. Hello, hi. Quick question, we could walk back here and head out back on the road? Right there?
I don't know.
Not sure? Okay, thanks. Alright. People, I'm going to say a private driveway. Alright people, I'm going to turn back around and walk back around and show them, because I'm try to walk through this driveway. Hopefully I can see I can come out back. I'm going to see which part it will lead to. But yes, my people, it's like me building this house teach me so much and open my eyes of who I can trust. Who I can't trust. What me have to do now when I go to Jamaica. And you understand, my people? And a lot of us out there gonna go through the same situation that me go through. Because when I post the video then, my people, a lot of people comment and I say, boy, It's like we have to write a book. Because a lot of us keep on been getting fucked, sorry about the bad word, screwed over by unscrupulous people. And I don't know, people, I don't know what me I want going on, but I try to see me can head back out. And I just don't know if them really know that them people that make our blood pressure go up, diabetes problem, anxiety problem. It's like you know, soon the family, them members, them overseas, dead. Yeah. I think of that. I think you know, soon the family member overseas, just lay dead so they can't ever come back to what them build up. Because there's no way only if you treat on your own family member them who try. And I like, and it's not like these family, you know, cause watch it. You help your cousin now. You they are foreign. And you link your cousin, your brother, your sister. And all you try, people may try to see me can escape out of the bushes. But I don't know if I can walk back this way for go back out, you know. You just try see. But now, if you help your family, and you say, alright, yeah, Jeffrey help you, he's in Jamaica. And you keep on sending money to Jeffrey to help you build a property in Jamaica. And now Jeffrey saw that you finish. Jeffrey actually helped you finish your property. Once again, people. Yes, my people think there's a walkway same way, but me that try to look for a walkway for exit out, but I still like private. But I can jump that fence and walk back around because a bush will save more time, right? But yeah. Jeffrey help you build a house in Jamaica. So now you can go back home to see your property. You know how good you feel in your mind. Watch it, my people. Hey, me I walk over some things. I try to escape out of this, my people. So now you know how good you feel that you have a place to go back to in Jamaica. Where you build up, my people. You know how good you feel, my people. Watch it, me I try. I'm all a fence, you know, my people. I try to jump the fence here. I walk over. Yeah. Yes, my people, don't try them things at home, no kids. Ow. Jump out back on my back leg. Alright. So now we walk back on the street because we take the bush road. But we never want to walk back around this area. So now we're back again. Holy, I'm tired out. But people, when you see the houses though, and thing. So now we are continuing to walk back around to my set side to the houses that we have. Them don't look like this, but them still $1 million houses at the end of the day. Right? So now, Jeffrey help you build this house. So I don't know, people, Jeffrey help build this man house who live a foreign. You don't think the man a foreign I go help? If Jeffrey come to you and say, you know what, Daddy, or Jay, you know, say me I try start a one thing. You don't think Jay a foreign I go say, you know what, Jeffrey? You're real to your words. And you're the realest you what me know. That's why them say Sean Storm, because Sean Storm is the realest you can't tell no. We need some Sean Storm. Yeah, we over here in foreign country, we leave Jamaica, we need some Sean Storm. Loyal to the core, loyal to the bone. Because we don't have your mother, father, sister, brother, cousin, auntie, uncle, grandparent. Nobody not loyal to you. Once you come a foreign and I make money and them think money tree there over here, so. And yeah, then think you just now come back a yard where you build up this. Remember me tell you that. Right? You don't think the J with the L Jeffrey. So man and just look upon the goal and right away. So man just upon the target. Yo, you know say J build a house at Jamaica, we could try it. Peel him off a bit of money. And tell him say something come up. Something always come up. You either sick, you either need help your car, you either family problem, you either have this problem, you have your own problem. And all we over here try to ask you, know, yo, you can just go check up on the property for we. Or you can go buy a couple bags of cement for we. Yo, check the hardware them for we. And remember, you know, people, all of these people who are doing that abroad, you know, Them a make sure them send a money for take care for them business and also give them a money on top of it, you know. Cause nobody over here we know say you not do nothing for free. We know that already. You not doing nothing for us for free. No matter if we send on an iPhone today, tomorrow you need something else. No matter if we send on $100,000 yesterday, tomorrow you need something else. You always need something else. It's never enough. It's never enough. Yes, it's never enough for you over there. Always need something else. You know when we always need something else, we have to get up, go work to buy that something else. We don't have nobody over here for call pan. We don't have nobody over here for really sit down pan and tell us and tell them what problem. You can call us from over Jamaica or anywhere other people them live and tell you all no problem. You sit down on phone. I will make we feel so bad. Oh my God. It's like they're dying over there. They need help. We got to help them. Them days they done. And I uno do it to yourself. I uno do it to yourself. And the chop on the family them so hard over here. And make on own family them don't want to come back to Jamaica. And make on own family them don't want to deal with you. And make on own family just say, oh, me just done with it. Because we can't take it no more. And put on own family them in the box 6 feet under. Yes, you same people over there, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, know. Because some me did feel too. What do you hear when my own family them see some of them on sick bed? Sick bed and I lie to me in my face. Some people also say, when you know them video, people, you know, camera and being there two different things here. People can set up a block a wall and video people you think a 1,000 block or whatever, because you see so much block that you can't count. Right? You see a cement them there you can't count. Unless you go sit down on camera and tell them say, yo, no count out one by one. Or count out me cement them one by one. And do all sorts of shenanigans and them type of vibes there. You understand? The end of the day, the new chopping have to chop them own loved ones and family and relatives and friends. That's the new chopping now for these people in Jamaica. You hear them say them a scam back, this and that. Your own family a chop you for build houses in Jamaica, for build for them house, build for them life, buy for them car. Them don't want you to have nothing in Jamaica for real, you know. Yeah man, your own family them don't want you have nothing. Your own friends them don't want you to come here and have nothing. Because you live a foreign already, them think your life sort out already. And them poor them not even know. More time. The way your life lick you, sometimes you have to go sit down all now and bar and talk to all strangers. Because them not even know. Sometimes you have to walk all the park and go sit down. Because the way your life, sometimes you can't even go to your friend them over here. Because your friend them over here and for them problem too. You understand? And that's a lot of us going through. And more time we don't try to pick up all the phone for call you know over this up. You don't want to hear it. Only thing you don't want to hear on the phone, you know, you're not going to send this for me. You can't send that for me. Yo, you're going to send the money what me asked for last week. You can't do that. And as soon as we say, you know, so we're in a jam right now. We really can't do nothing right now. Beep, 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 beep. You know, so me I go link you back. Something I go on right and now I have to go link you. Nobody want to hear your problem. You understand? I mean, know a lot of people go through it. Nobody don't want to hear your cause, your problem, and how you're surviving in this life and time in North America or wherever you guys are. People don't want to hear that. You understand, my people? So now me just start look upon life for just me now, because nobody now will care. You understand? And everybody out there want to look upon life upon them nice ones to my people and do a good job with these houses, man. But the outsides are nice, but inside them need look a touch up work and stuff. But I know like this cookie cutter house right here, them new development now what them do. Very nice, man, very nice. Wish we could have money for do some of them development there. But again, my people, we're not gonna dwell upon it for too long. I just know I know tell you say we have to try harder and figure out a different way to build our houses and everybody have the means of buying a house brand new from scratch in Jamaica, and not everybody have the means to take loans from the bank and do mortgage and pay monthly. Not everybody have the means to do that. Some of us is just like me. We're normal people who have to take our time and try to depend on the 1 and 2 people that we can, and not everybody have the time to leave, because people to leave here for a month and then have to go pay for a place at Jamaica for stay, buy food, groceries, rent a car, and still have to build up your place and then lose money income too also over a year. Or if you leave for all 3 months, you know how much impact that put on you, stress, and you have to sit down and save up money for years. If you just say, oh, I'm leave for all 3-6 months, if you go see if I can rat that stuff and bomb again. You understand, my people? So it's not easy. It's not easy. Alright, my people, so that's why everybody know that. So we just take the way we have. And right now, like I said, people, the place soon finally finish up, and we just gonna take it easy right now. We're not gonna rush nothing anymore. I'm just gonna take my time and do local by local until we make it. Now we're on a new program, new supervisor there now, new people that look over the property to make things work. And I'm just gonna take my time and do it local by local now. We're not jump ahead or we used to jump ahead and try to rush the project. We done rushing the project now, people. So now I just local by local, and we're gonna make it work. Again, everybody, can't pass it again, because we have to work, right? Everybody bless up on yourself. 416-876 Jamaica. I am out. Again, them people, make sure to like, share, and subscribe before me leave. Big up to all of my supporters, them who's been liking and been commenting and supporting the channel. Jay is out.